All right, everyone. Today we have the Flexo case for the Heltec version 3. This is by ZeroFox3D. Made this really cool looking case, so we are going to try to put it together right now. I have it all ready to go in the bag here. I've got all the parts. But this is I have two of these to do. This is the first one, so it's probably going to take a little bit longer. Let's take a look at everything here. We should have all the parts. Okay, what do we got here? So for the case, this is a tool for the antenna, I believe. I did print two switches. One of them was on the textured plate, one was on the smooth plate, so I definitely want to use this one that was on the smooth plate. Okay, so let's just figure this out. Shouldn't be too complicated. So everything goes in here, then it just pops in. All right, so let's put the battery in without a screw inside. That probably is not a good way to start. All right, so we got battery. Oh yeah, let's get the battery in the case. How does this go? Something. Let's see, how do these go? These go like yay or no? No, definitely not that way. That seems to fit. Got to be something like that. Like this. Wires coming out right there. Right? Yeah, I guess so. All right. Let's get this inside. I think this is it. Something about that doesn't feel right. Ah. Don't pull by the wires. Come on, get back out. Something about that did not going right. Do it upside down, maybe? Maybe this. Positive on the antenna side. I gotta remember which way I'm trying this. This. Whoa. Yep. Sharp plastic. Sharp plastic. That seems pretty good though. Okay. Cool. I probably should have done the antenna first in retrospect for doing that. That's okay. Hopefully that's okay. All right, let's try to get the antenna in. All right, what do we got here? Just one. So yeah, so the top. So this I should be able to shove this guy through. I need a pair of pliers for that. All right. I mean, this should, I believe it's slotted, so. So definitely on the next one, antenna. Definitely on the next one, antenna first. Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, this thing kind of is coming back out, so maybe I'll just take it out. Oh, come on. Careful what I stick those in. All right. I'm kind of making it worse. Buddy. Okay, a little bit. All right, let's get the antenna in first. So my belief is this should be slotted. So it should, no. It just looks like the hole probably needs to be cleaned up a little. I think that's more of a printing defect probably on my side. All right. Looks like it's slotted. It should. All right, it's definitely going in more. So I think that was part of the issue. Ew, come on. All right, let's see if I can start pulling it in a little bit. Maybe not the lock washers. I'm just going to do this for now. Just pull it in. Then I'll have to the lock washer. Let's try this little debris. We are pulling it in. It's getting in there. Pull it into the plastic a bit. Yes, sir. That's it. Okay, that looks good. All right, so let's take this back off. We definitely want to get this lock washer on here. And I apologize for it being so dark. Need to get a light. Better light. All right, let's get this tightened up. Nice handy dandy little tool to help out. I don't want to do it too tight. I don't want to break. Huh. Occurs to me too, I need to find an antenna. All right, so we got that in. Let's get this battery back in here. It's got to be like this. Do it. Do it all together, I guess. So I guess, yeah, that does clear the wires there. That's nice. Push it nice and easy in. Yep. All right, that seems to be in there. Nice. Let's take a look at this guy here. All right, let's get the Heltec board in. Okay. So we got this and this room. Yeah, so that sits flush, and then that goes like, yep, that. So I assume that's these guys. What are these ones for? So there's these four. What do I need these two? So two here, and then does this get screwed on or something? This is the switch situation. I assume it goes like that. No, wait. Yeah, we got to get this guy in. Okay. So this should go like in, right? Like that. And then how's this go? And I guess I probably should have re-looked at the instructions, but you know, this I like flying by the seat of my pants. So this looks like maybe this is the way that it goes. Makes a little bit more sense. Right. Yeah, sir. That feels good. And then this goes there. Then I assume that's what these are for then. That makes a lot of sense. I mean, I have drivers. Yeah, let's get it. What size? Feels like this. Yeah, way better. Let's get in there more. There we go, threading it now. This guy in here. Okay. Just tighten up the other side. It's like flush a little bit better. Yeah, kind of looks like that's almost it. Oh, I should have trimmed that off before I... All right, you want to make sure it's nice and clean before it's all installed. That looks better. Okay, and remind me, was the antenna mount on the other side? Yes, there it is. There it is. Of course. So I guess you got to kind of do that together. All right. Well, at least they're threaded already. All right, so let's take this off real quick. Oh. So fiddly. Okay. Then do all this like together. Oh shit! This is how this is gonna go. It's like can't put any pressure on it or it pops. Okay, hopefully this will. I don't know if this will help hold it down, but we'll see. Switch is a little hard to actuate here. How do I flip it on? Oh my gosh. Is that how that's going to be? Oh. Oof, that's switch is a little rough. I'm gonna have to work on that a bit. All right, so we got this together here. Let's see. These two screws. So let's plug it in. I just don't assume up should be on. I just don't want it to be on. Let's see here. So I'll plug this in. Huh. Wait a second here. Oh, you know what? I wonder if that's the difference between the two kits. So I do have two of these kits, and I'm wondering because this is not this. It is too big. Yeah. So I think that's probably the only difference between these is this cable here with the other kit. It's this one. This one does go in here. Oh, no, it's the other way. Yeah. All right, so hopefully this does not turn on when I plug it in. Okay, yeah, it is not on, which is good. So I just need to put the antenna on, put this together. All right, so let's see. We got this cross piece here. Maybe it goes the other way. Yep, that's in there pretty good. Okay. Let's tackle this in. I wonder how it's going to deal with the antenna. Is it going to pop off? This needs to like go. Yeah, that might work. Okay, I'm totally doing this upside down. All right. Shoot. Like this. Okay, maybe I should unplug that. Oh, son of a. Okay, this is definitely really annoying. How is that supposed to go down? Is the antenna supposed to come out right there? Like, how is that not going to totally just come off? All right, well, we're going to figure this out together. And then at some point, I'll look at the instructions. So that is back. Oh, wait, no. So we think it's. No, it can't. The screen is there. There's no way. Is this a longer cable? Just making sure because I used the different kit. Well, that seems the same, so I don't think that's the difference. Nothing else that's different. Okay. somehow this like this. I don't know how this is supposed to really work here. I am going to have to look at these instructions, I think. Well, unfortunately, the instructions didn't really show how. I wanted to see the guy put this on. But he was doing the other one. He was doing a rack whiz block when he actually was popping the antenna on the case. This situation seems weird. All right, screwed down again. Hopefully we can do this without popping it off, because right, yeah, this has got to go. There's no way I did anything upside down, or All right, let's get these things plugged in, see if I can do this. In there, stay in there. Oh, what's going to happen when it hits that crossbar? Okay, I think it's still attached. I think we're so far so good. If I can get this to clear out. There we go. Come on. Pop in there, boy. Oh. Let's this way. Side in, maybe? All right, it's together. Hopefully it's still hopefully it's still connected. Let's get an antenna on this thing, and okay, let's turn it on. Not turn it on. There we go. Yes, boy. See it coming on there? See the screen? Yeah. Pretty good there. All right. Looks like we are on, connected. It looks like, all right, so, yeah. And that's it. Looks like we got it connected. Looks like it's working. Nice. And then we got this too, right? The GoPro mount, this thing. It's pretty nice. So we can mount that in all sorts of different spots, but sits right on the desk there like that. Really nice looking device. Definitely good design. Good job. All right. Stay tuned for the next one where we put the other guy together. The other one is using the rack whiz block. You can see right here, I got the shell here for this guy here. This one's looking pretty cool. So stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.